So today we are going to discuss about the JSON path. But I will discuss about the JSON. What is stand for JSON and JSON feature, how we write a JSON, how we can read that. I know you already know about the JSON, but let's get started. JSON stand for the JavaScript Object Annotation. It is lightweight format used for exchange data between client and server and APIs. And JSON is easy to read, lightweight, easy to read, and lightweight. Most commonly used in REST API. Okay, so in the JSON structure, you will see object. Object is the curly braces, array, arrays. This is the square bracket, and the key value pair, key value pairs. Okay, and how? I will give you an example. Example: name equal to x by z. Skills in the array, right? Java. Okay. Then come to the JSON part. Okay. Hopefully you are understanding my point. JSON path. JSON path is a query language used to navigate JSON, extract value, validate response, read arrays, handle nested data. What we can do with the JSON path is the query language used to navigate values, extract values. And it's the same thing, we use the same things in the XML also, but we will discuss in the later part. In automation, JSON path is used to verify the response data, store value, and chaining API or chain APIs. Okay. Then we have need to practice some things so that we can understand in the better way. Um, I need to open Eclipse now. So now I'm creating one. Uh, JSON methods, right? So I'm creating one class. Class name is JSON path, and then yeah, one thing is we have to import the JSON path file in this. Yeah. So if you are thinking why I have written it in this way, this is the simple JSON, but we are giving this JSON or storing this JSON as J string. So we have need to use the forward slash to writing this. If I copy paste and check in the JSON converter, so you will see the proper normal format, the normal format. Okay, so I will show you. come to the extract the single field, right? What we are extracting the single field. We use JSON path to extract string, integer, boolean. Path start directly with the key. Okay, so let's suppose string name. Let's suppose string name. This is the name is the which we are getting. Hmm. Let's suppose if, and then let's suppose if you want to extract the integer, you can id, and then id. Let's suppose if you want to extract boolean, so boolean in the boolean case you, and then if we are extracting the true, active true, we are extracting the value in that way. Okay, come to the second point. Let's suppose if I create one another class here, class, and extracting the list. Mm. Yes, yes, yes. And we are picking the list of the string from the JSON file. String is the quick name. If you want to, if you want to print only first value 0, arrow value. why it is null. Skills get string skills. If I print one, selenium. Skills get list skills in the side, and we are 0 1 2, and we are printing the first skills only, and then extracting the nested JSON is the JSON, inside the, we are fetching the value from the inside. Nested JSON means object inside another object inside another object. Don't we use dot notation for to inside notation. Okay, let's suppose I have created the another function. Nested nested JSON and finish it. And string, and then address city, and then system dot out. What we are using, we are using the dot to fetch the value of the inside of the object, and then yeah, we are getting it, and then array of the object. So let's suppose if I writing the array of the object, when object exists inside the array, we can extract single or multiple values. How? The simple way, int, and then amount equal to js dot get int amount. What we are doing, order is this, and inside the array we want to fetch the amount. This is the key, and just run it. I think we are all. Now it is printing the 500 because we are printing the orders this key. Okay, then if let's suppose we want amounts, we want to print the amounts without zero. If we want to print the all amounts, both amounts, this one or this one, so we can print amounts js dot get list, and JS dot get. Sorry, already we have written this line. Yeah, it's print the whole amounts. Come to the last part of this video, validation JSON array. Validation is in JSON array, like we validate the size, value presence. So how we can? That's good. Skills dot skills are the correct. Skills. Okay, skills dot contain. Skill is correct. The variable. That's not getting exactly. Should be. Yes, skills is exist. Suppose if you want to amount dot size equal to 2 amount. Already we initialize the object of the this amount. So this in the way we have need to validate. We can filter out, filter the JSON also. Filter help to find the value based on condition. Let's suppose we have filter the value. If you are saying I want to filter, and then orders dot find, and then filter out. Higher order is the order one or two. Yes, order ID is the we can filter out in the same way. Okay, so this is about the JSON. We have discussed in the detail about the JSON. We will discuss things the same in the XML also. So, but in the rest assured, we will focus on the JSON side, or we will work on the JSON only. So let's meet you in the next lecture. Thank you.